Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I have here in front of me 3 ceramic white flare kits. One of them is going on this customer's car. This is a different car than we saw in last week's video. And then we have 2 more sets that's getting shipped out. So yeah, make sure if you're interested in these flares, hit us up, you know. We're doing a lot of these right now. As you can tell, the color match is pretty good. Speaking about color match, I need to talk to you guys about it because we have a lot of questions saying that it's not a 100% match. Well, you can't really 100% match plastic with metal. So a good way to show you this is if you take a gas cap off your car and then you put it against your door or whatever, it's completely off. So just, you know, some tips and experiences from body shop. I used to work at a body shop, so I know a lot about paint and stuff. So if you know, you know, but now you don't know, now you know. Okay, so I just took the gas cap off the customer's car. I just want to show you the difference. As you can tell, the fender and the gas cap, it's already a different shade of white. And the reason why is because metal bonds differently with plastic. So if you paint the flares, especially on white and silvers, they're more noticeable. But other colors, you won't even notice. But yeah, see, look at the difference. Following a full kit, he's getting the V3 splitter, V2 diffuser, and V1 side skirts. So we have so many options, so you can mix and match and do whatever you want to whatever your taste and personal style. But yeah, enjoy these B-rolls because I'm gonna be knocking this stuff out, and I got a clock out in like 10 minutes. All right guys, so we have finished the front splitter, V3 splitter, customer got the gloss black, V1 side skirts, gloss black, and the V1 rear diffuser, gloss black. So very unique kit. I don't think I've seen anyone run this kit yet, but yeah, it looks really amazing. As you can see, the install was straightforward. We're gonna be heading to Ely Wraps to get the wing install. Customer got a painted ceramic white color match wing. So I'm gonna show you guys something interesting about a wing. So this is our wing right here. As you can see, the gap is pretty much no gap right here. Okay, and I'm gonna show you another wing that another customer brought for us to install. He's saying that he got this on eBay. And he's like, it's the same wing, let me install it in the car, and we couldn't install it, and I'll show you why. So I'm gonna take this wing off. And this is, you know, it looks very identical. It's an eBay wing. Let me just show you guys how it sits on the car. So as you can tell, both wings, we did them and bolted it down already. As you can tell, it's already lifting from the front. So, you know, food for thought, you know, don't buy cheap stuff. Okay, always buy, you pay a little bit more with our stuff, but you know, you're paying for quality and you're paying for, you know, the service. But yeah, look at this. This is half the price for a wing. Look at this gap. You know, I can fit my whole finger in there. But yeah, you know, anyways, so just want to let you guys know. Yeah, we're gonna drop this car off to Elite and have Kevin install the ceramic white one, which is over there somewhere. And then let's see the final result. As you can see, the car looks superb already, like the color matching. You know, it's like so many white ones. I want to do an orange one. If you have a solar orange in the area and want to get your flares done, you know, locally, I would love to work on it. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right guys, so car's back from Ely Wraps. They finished installing it. Looks super sick. Here's our SCI wing and here's the white one. Pretty dope. Same V1 rear diffuser. Lovely. So this is the V1 wing, guys, SCI wing. We have the V2 that we just dropped on the website yesterday. The guys informed me that the V2 will be half the price and color match. The reason why being is everything is made overseas, so it will be a lot cheaper for those who want a cheaper option. We will still have the V1 option if you want to get, you know, yours painted and made in the USA. So that's option 1. or option 2. Aside from that, that's in the link below. Duckbill spoiler is already in as last week's video. You've seen that, it's already on the car. Color match options, and we have the carbon fiber, and we have a vortex generator coming. So a lot of new parts coming, STLF coming, carbon fiber, a lot of stuff. We have I'm gonna show you a sneak peek of our carbon fiber. It's a 1-on-1 right now, so I'm only gonna make exclusive maybe like 10 of these for the VB chassis. These are the carbon fiber V3 diffuser, super sick. So I'm only gonna make, well, they told me they're gonna only make 10 of these. So if you want one, make sure to check the next video, because I'm gonna show you guys this diffuser. Aside from that, this car is ready to go for its customer. I think it's coming in the next few days. So I'm excited to see his reactions. We're gonna do a Q&A in the next episode, or maybe the next. I don't know yet, but yeah, let me know. We're very excited to answer all you guys' questions, especially our car, the wheel fit and all that good stuff. So I'll go over that with you in the next few videos. Aside from that, enjoy this B-roll coming up, and then catch you guys next time.